Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to record your voiceover or your PC screen or your webcam using Wondershare Filmora 9 video editing software. Yes, it's not only a video editing software, but through this you can also record your webcam or your voiceover or else your PC screen as well. Like if you have used Camtasia ever, then Camtasia also helps you in editing your videos as well as recording your videos. On my dock you can see here on my screen that I have both Camtasia recorder and Camtasia video editor. I have also used it earlier. Like I don't use it now, but I have used it in the past. So basically, if I compare, now it's my opinion, your opinion may differ from me. So basically, if I compare Wondershare Filmora with this Camtasia, then I will say that Filmora is a lot more better compared to Camtasia. Basically, when you record with Camtasia, then the file format is a Camtasia file format. However, if you record with Filmora, then the file format is .mp4 by default. So yes, and Filmora provides a lot more better tools than Camtasia, I will say. So now let's not compare Camtasia with Filmora. Let's jump to our video, and I will also tell you how to take snapshots in Filmora. So let's get started. Alright, so in my computer I will first open the Filmora software from here. So when you will open it, it pretty looks like this one, and from here you can record your screen. Go to the file option here, just here where my cursor is. Just click the file option and then go to record media. From here you will get the options of record from webcam, record PC screen, or record your voiceover. For recording your voiceover, there first of all we will jump to how to record your voiceover. Basically, voiceover can be recorded in a very simple way. Just click on this option where my cursor is, this option. Click on this option and you can record the voiceover. Alright, so record voiceover, click on this record media and record voiceover option. From here a record audio window will open. You have to select your microphone from here and then input audio, uncheck this mute option, and from here this option you have to click on this option, or you can just press the space bar in your keyboard. Just click on this one, and now our voiceover has started. Basically I haven't connected my microphone with my computer, so it is not taking my voice. And by the way, if you have plugged in your microphone, then you can do this very easily. Your Wondershare Filmora will easily record your voice from here, and this is the most simple way to record your voice. To stop it, you can again press the space bar, or just click on this option and just click on the OK option, and here is your file where your voiceover will be recorded. Now the next thing which we are going to see is that how to record our PC screen. It's very simple to do. Just go to the file option, click on record media, click on record PC screen. When you click on this option, a window will open just like this. So here, from here you can choose what part of the screen you want to record. By default it's in full screen, so by clicking on this option you can get the custom ratio and your target window as well. From here you can change the width and height, or you can see the resolution of your screen, or else your recording, you can see. And from here it's currently recording your PC's output audio, and if you click on this option then it will not record that. And from here you can choose which microphone, through which microphone you want to record. It's currently recording my audio, and if I uncheck this, then it will not record my audio. From here also you can choose which speaker, from which speaker you want to record. And here is the setting option right here. it opens like this. From here you can change the saving location where your recording will be saved, and from here you can change the FPS, or you can say the frame rate. It's from 12 FPS to 60 FPS. Here you can choose your quality of your video, like by default it's in better, so you can change it to good or best as well. And here by default the FPS is set to 25, I think. And from here you can check this to set the time in which your recording will stop. And here you can check this option to show mouse clicks in recording, just like this, and you can choose the mouse click type. And from here you can check this to play mouse click sound. And from here you can choose buttons, your keyboard buttons, through which you can resume or pause your hotkey. And here you can choose the start or stop hotkey. And from here, by checking this option, you can record your webcam as well with your screen. So that's how we do screen recording, and from this option you can start your recording. Another thing which we are going to learn is that how to record your web camera. Just click on the file option, go to record media, and click on record from webcam. When you click on the option, this kind of a window appears, and from here you can choose your video device. Right now I have choose iron webcam, which is not connected to my computer right now. You can choose any other webcam. This is my main webcam, but I will not choose it right now. You can choose any webcam from here. You can get the resolution as well, and here you can choose your microphone through which you want to record, which you have to record your audio. And you can choose the frame rate from this option, and by clicking here you can start recording your webcam. And then when it's done, just click on this OK button, and that's it. Alright, so to take a snapshot, I will first import a video from here, for videos. Alright, so from here I will get one video, basically. For example, this one. For example, here I want to take a screenshot, so take your playhead to anywhere where you want to take the screenshot, and on going on there, click on this option here where my cursor is, snapshot, or you can just press Ctrl Alt and S on your keyboard. Click on that, and we have taken a screenshot. So here you will get the basically the location, which is in documents, Wondershare Filmora 9, user media, snapshot 1.png. I will also get it right there in your import window. So that's how we take our screenshot, and we get our how to record our screen, how to record our voiceover, how to take screenshot, how to record our webcam. That's it. I hope you like this video. If you like it, then click on that like button, share this video, and also subscribe to the channel with the bell icon. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Till then, goodbye.